Here we have a SAT math question on triangle. So a triangle is given over here. Okay, let's go over the information. In the figure above, quadrilateral AFED is a parallelogram and BE over EC equals to 1 over 2. If the area of the parallelogram is 10, what is the area of the triangle ABC? Okay, so here, so the question says AFED is a parallelogram, then the opposite sides must be parallel in any parallelogram. So here the AF is extended up to B. So the line segment DE is parallel to the line segment AB over here. So since there are line segment AB and DE are parallel, then this line segment BC is transversal. Then the angle measured over here and the angle measured over here must be congruent because these two angles are corresponding angles when two parallel lines are intersected by a transversal. Okay, and also the line segment FE and the line segment AD are parallel, and AD is extended up to C. Okay, so since the line segment FE and AC are parallel and the line segment BC has to be transversal, then these two angles, this one and this one, must be congruent because these two angles are corresponding angles. Okay, now let me write triangle FBE and triangle DEC and the whole triangle ABC. Okay, here let's compare the triangle FBE and triangle DEC. So the two interior angles of triangle FBE are congruent to the two interior angles of the triangle DEC. So these two triangles must be similar. So by angle similarity postulate. Okay, now let's consider triangle DEC. Okay, so here in triangle DEC, the two interior angles are congruent to the two interior angles B and C in triangle ABC. So triangle DEC must be similar to triangle ABC. So the smaller triangle over here and this triangle and the whole triangle, all the three triangles are similar. Okay, already the question says the corresponding sides BE and EC are in the ratio 1 to 2. So because like if I consider alphabets over here, BE, EC, BC are the corresponding sides in these three triangles. So already we have the ratio between BE and EC, which is 1 to 2. Okay, so in ratio, what is the number corresponding to the triangle ABC? Just now we discussed that BE, EC, BC are corresponding sides. So for BE, we have number 1 in the ratio. For EC, we have number 2 in the ratio. And then what number should we have for for triangle ABC? So if BE is 1 unit length, EC is 2 units length, then the length of BC has to be 3 units. So the number corresponding to the triangle ABC in the ratio has to be 3. So the three triangles are similar and the sides are in the ratio, the corresponding sides are in the ratio 1 to 2 to 3. Then areas of the three triangles must be in the ratio 1 square to 2 square to 3 square. So whenever the sides of the triangles are in a particular ratio, and if I want to find the ratio of the areas, I have to square each term of the ratio. Okay, if I simplify this one, I'll be getting 1 to 4 to 9. So the areas of the three triangles are in the ratio 1 to 4 to 9. Okay, from the terms of the ratio, if I want to get the area of each triangle, I have to multiply each term of this ratio by some non-zero number, say x. So if I multiply this 1 by x, I'll be getting the area of the first triangle FBE, that is x. If I multiply the second term of the ratio by x, I'll be getting 4x. 4x is the area of the second triangle DEC. And if I multiply this one by x, I'll be getting 9x is the area of the third triangle ABC. So now I have the areas of all the three triangles in terms of x. Okay, from the area of the whole triangle ABC, that is from 9x, I'm going to subtract the areas of the two triangles FBE and DEC, that is x positive 4x. I subtract the area of this triangle and area of this triangle from the whole triangle. So if I subtract the area of this triangle and this triangle from the whole triangle, what will I get? that is equal to the area of the parallelogram that is already given in the question, that is 10. So 9x negative x positive 4x will be 5x, which is equal to 10. So 9x negative 5x will be 4x equals to 10. Now to solve for x, I have to divide both sides by 4. So 4 will cancel out. So 4 goes into 4 one times, 4 goes into 10, 2.5. So I get x equals to 2.5. Our target is to find the area of triangle ABC. That is a complete for the whole triangle. We have to find the area. So already we got the area of the triangle ABC in terms of x. That is 9x. It's over here. So here I got the value of x, that is 2.5. So then the area of triangle ABC equals to 9 times 2.5, which is 22.5 square units. So the area of triangle ABC is 22.5 square units.